That's right. Benjamin. Hey, buddy. You have such strong legs. We're walking on the Green Knob Loop Trail here on the Blue Ridge Parkway at about milepost 295.
That's a wild tomato.
Is it? Oh, wow. It is. It's like Pahin's tomato plants. So we're on the Green Knob Loop Trail. It's about a mile away from the campground where we're staying, Julian Price Campground. And we've had quite a bit of a change of scenery here. We just came out of those woods. So we walked through a really foresty area, a wooded area. Ooh, a cow pie. And now we've come out to this wide open meadow, and the change of scenery is just awesome. It's beautiful. It keeps the hike interesting. It's just beautiful around here. And Benjamin's doing such a good job. He took a nap. Benjamin, you took a nap, didn't you? In Papa's backpack. Yeah. You fell asleep, and now you're energized and ready to hike with Mama and Papa, aren't you?
Yeah.
Now you're hiking like a big boy.
There's
Can you
where
run to
we're
Mama?
going. Go to Mama.
Ah, we'll scoop you up.
Wow.
Yes. Your Mama kiss. Are you having so much fun? Yeah.
He says, I want to do it myself. I'm a big boy.